Join me as I dive into the future and challenge myself to uncover what's going to be the hottest trends in print on demand for 2025. Print on demand has become a crucial aspect of the e-commerce industry, allowing entrepreneurs to create and sell custom products without holding any inventory. And in this video, you can expect to learn about the latest developments and trends that will shape the industry in 2025. Many new entrepreneurs face significant challenges when entering the print-on-demand space, particularly when it comes to market saturation, as the competition can be fierce, making it difficult to stand out. Finding a niche is also a common hurdle, as it requires a deep understanding of your target audience and their preferences. Market research is essential to identify gaps in the market and uncover opportunities that can help you differentiate your products from others. Creating unique and high-quality designs is critical to capturing the attention of potential customers and building a loyal customer base. Building a strong brand identity is also vital, as it enables you to establish trust with your customers and create a lasting impression. The latest trends in print on demand for 2025 include a wide range of popular products, such as sustainable clothing and accessories, which are gaining traction due to the growing awareness of environmental issues. Innovative designs like 3D printing and augmented reality are also emerging, offering new and exciting ways to create and interact with custom products. Emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence and machine learning are being used to improve the print-on-demand process, from design creation to production and shipping. These trends are shaping the industry and providing new opportunities for entrepreneurs to innovate and succeed. The most exciting opportunity for print on demand in 2025 is the integration of social responsibility and sustainability, as consumers are becoming more conscious of the environmental and social impact of their purchases. This trend has the potential to change the game for entrepreneurs, as it enables them to create products that not only appeal to customers, but also contribute to a greater good. By incorporating sustainable materials, reducing waste, and promoting fair labor practices, entrepreneurs can build a loyal customer base and establish a positive reputation. This shift towards social responsibility and sustainability is expected to have a significant impact on the industry, driving growth and innovation. The key insights from this video highlight the importance of staying updated with the latest trends and being adaptable in the print-on-demand market, as the industry is constantly evolving. Let me know in the comments what you think about the trends we discussed, and if you're interested in learning more about entrepreneurship and online business, be sure to check out my other videos.